Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to change preferences on Happn. I wonder why you want to know how to change preferences on Happn. Maybe because you were looking for something but now you have changed your mind and now you just want to change the things that you're looking for. Or maybe you think that the people you have met on this app are different, so you just want something above of it. Or there could be any other reason for you to change your preferences on Happen. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can change your preferences on Happen. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Happn app in your mobile phone, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once the app gets installed, make sure you have created your account on it and you're also logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Happn app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see this interface. This is how the app looks. Right now we're in the browse section, therefore you could see all these options. There we have a lot of options almost all over the screen. From all these options, you have to click onto your profile icon, which is on the top right. Once you click on it, there you will see some of your personal information like your name, profile picture, age, and other options as well. From all these options, what you have to do here is that you just have to simply look at the top of the page, and there you will see three lines. From these three lines, you just have to simply tap on it and then you will land into the preferences section. So just simply click on to these three lines and there you will get. First, you will read a title of preferences and you will see all these options. So every option here is different from each other and has its own purpose that it performs in this app. So at the top it is written I am looking for, and under it we have the gender. So you have to choose which gender are you looking for. There are three options. You can go with any one of these options in which you're interested. Here it will just take a while to load and save your information, and after that you can choose the age of the person in you are interested. So it starts from 18 and goes like 70, so you can choose from which age to which age you're interested in people. Just simply click on continue and it will save here. So all these options are for premium subscription. So if you have premium subscription, then you can edit these preferences as well. But if you don't have premium like me, then you couldn't do anything with these options. So here you can only use these two options. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can change preferences on Happen. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.